Hey, doctor.
Shock me out. Hello, sir. Welcome to online consultation in Saint Muhammad with me, Dr. Ghazy dan Entrot.
Hi, I'm
There
Al.
anything that I can help you, sir?
Yes. Hi, I'm Albert, and this is my wife. So, me and my wife, we want to consult relating about her pregnancy, and we're taking a 14-day pregnancy check, and it has been the fourth day, and the test still shows negative.
Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Albert, based on my scientific research that I have, the probability that the test will first came out positive is 1/9 in day, and that is independent of what happens in any other day out of the total 14-day daily pregnancy check, sir. And it's okay if the test still came out negative on the fourth day, since you're only on the fourth day, right?
Yes, doctor.
Because based on my calculation,
So, first of all, we need to identify the conditions of Albert's wife. So, she goes on a 14-day daily pregnancy test, and the probability based on the research that the result will came out first positive is 1/9 in a day, and that is independent of what happens in any other day, which give us that the probability is 1/9. So the Q will be 8/9, and dr will be based on the question, will be based on the case that Albert's wife was going to have. So we need to find the probability that the test came out positive after the fourth day of testing, and the probability that the test came out positive before the ninth day, because as I already mentioned, that is the days where the probability, where the chance that the test will first came out positive is the highest, right? So the probability that the test came out positive after the fourth day of testing, so it will give us p x more than 4, which is the formula will be q to the power of r, which is 8/9, and the r in this case is 4, so power of 4 that gave us 0.624, that converted into percentage will be 62.4%. And then the probability that the test came out positive before the ninth day, so it will be p x less than 9 or p x less than or equal to 8, which the formula will be 1 minus q to the power of r. In this case, will be 1 minus 8/9 to the power of 8, because the r in this case is 8. That will give us 1 minus 0.389, and then the answer will be 0.611, which converted into a percentage of 61.1%.
based on the calculation that I had just now, the probability that the test will come out positive will be above 60% after the fourth day, sir, which is 62.4%. And it's okay if the test still came out negative after the fourth day, because the probability will still be above 60% before the ninth day, which is 61.1%. So just wait until the eighth day and see what happened. Is there
Uh,
anything they want to ask again, sir?
yes, doctor. So, is there a probability that the test shows positive first time on the last day, which is the 14th day?
Hmm.
So, for the last condition where we need to find the probability that the test first came out positive on the last day, which is on the 14th day, so it will be px equals to 14 because it's the 14th day. So the formula will be p equals to the q to the power of r minus 1 times p, right? I'm sorry, yeah. So it will be 8 over 9 to the power of 14 minus 1 will be 13 times the probability will be 1 over 9, and it will give us 0.024, which is converted into percentage of 2.4%, and that's it.
Yeah, of course, Mr. Albert. There's a probability that the test will first came out positive on the last day, but it's okay. It's rarely happened to any of my patients since the probability of that condition to occur is only 2.4%, sir.
So I have another question. Is there a possibility that the pregnancy tests are broken?
For that case, I need to check on my phone first, sir. Wait a minute, okay? Just stay there.
Uh, Sorry, doctor. I think that's a calculator.
My mistake. Sorry. This one is my phone, okay? Just wait for a moment. Ah. So, okay, Mr. and Mrs. Albert, of course, there's a possibility that the task pack will be broken, right? But it's okay. It's only 3% per package.
Pregnancy testers are sold in three pieces per packs. The probability of a broken pregnancy tester is 3%. Albert and his wife buys 3 packs. Find the percentage probability of one pack consisting of all broken testers. So here we can know that the n is equals to 3 and p is equals to 0.03 and the q is equals to 0.97, since we can find it by 1 minus the p, and so we can count it now by using the formula of binomial x equals to r equals to ncr times p to the power of r times q to the power of n minus r. So here find px equals to 1 equals to 9c to the power of r times r, which is 1, times p 0.03 After inserting all the information and the data, we can insert it, which is 3c1 times 0.03 to the power of 1 times 0.97 to the power of 3 minus 1, which we will get 0.085. And since the question asks for the probability of the percentage probability, then multiplied by 100, which is 100, which is 8.5%. And for the next question, find the percentage probability that more than 4 pieces of testers are broken. Since this is 4, then it's easier to count it per piece than per pack. So the n is 9, since he bought 3 and each pack consists of 3, and The P is still 0.03 and the Q is 0.97, and since it's more, so Px is more than 4 is equals to Px equals to 5 plus Px equals to 6 plus until Px equals to 9. So it's easier to count using sigma, which is sigma x 0 s 5, sorry, because we counted from 5 until 9. So 9cx times 0.03 to the power of to the power of uh, x times 0.97 to the power of 9 minus x. Insert it into the calculator. 9c x times 0.03 times the power of x times 0.97 to the power of 9 minus x, which is 5 and 9. So the answer is 2.76 times 10 to the power of negative 6, or 2.76 77, sorry, times 10 to the power of negative 6. And for the last question, find the probability that at least 5 pieces of testers are functional. So since the question is the opposite, which means the P is equals to Q, which is P equals to 0.97 and the Q is 0.03, and the N is still staying as 9. So we can use the same formula, which is Px more than or equals to 5, which is Px equals to 5 plus Px equals to 6 plus till Px equals to 9. So we can use the same sigma formula. Sigma x equals to 5, 9, and the n inserted 9c x times 0.97 of x times 0.03 to the power of 9 minus x. So this we can get 9c x times 0.97 to the power of x times 0.03 to the power of 9 minus x, 5 and 9, which is 0.9999. Since we cannot round this to 1, then the answer will be 0.99. And for this part, we need to multiply by 100 since the question requires us to make a percentage probability. So the answer is 2.77 times 10 to the power of negative 4. So I think that's it, doctor.
Oh yeah, that's it. Thank you, Mr. Albert.
Thank you, doctor, for taking your time to speak and consult with me and my wife.
Anytime, Mr. Albert. It's my pleasure. See you on the next meeting soon. Bye bye.